Okay, now welcome back. I'd like to continue our series of Vulnhub. The virtual machine would be Cybersplot 2. I will put the link into the description section below so that you can download this image. Before we begin today's video, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate your help and support. And now let's just get started. To save time, I have already imported the virtual machine into the VirtualBox. And there's one thing I need to point out for you. For this virtual machine, it will be a bit different. As usual, I always configure the virtual machine as host only for the security reason. But this virtual machine, if we configure it as the host only mode, when we do the privilege escalation, you will encounter some problems or difficulties. So to make the things easier, we configure the virtual machine as bridged mode. Okay, so now I'd like to enter into the virtual machine of Kali Linux. And as you can see, I have already identified the IP address of the virtual machine as 60. And I did the Nmap scanning. I did the script scan, the version scan, the script scan. I also did the comprehensive scan by specifying the option of -p-. From the Nmap scanning results, as you can see over here, the two open ports. The first one is 22, which is running SSH service, and also the actual version information, including the version number, is displayed over here. And as we know, this version of SSH doesn't have any vulnerability from the perspective of penetration. And the second open port is 80, which runs HTTP service, and also the actual version information, which is Apache 2. So I think now we need to do furthermore enumeration for the 80 port. And to save time, I have already launched the browser and retrieved the page from the target. As you can see, there is one table and also the username and the password. And if we check the source code of this page, you can see there is one string. It says IoT 47. As we know, this is some sort of encoding operation. So I think we can use this operation IoT 47 to decode the message. And from here, I think the two strings. Other one is very standard string, but this one is some sort of a scrambled character. So we need to make a copy and paste in here. And we can select operation as ROT 47. And we got the output. And also we can paste in here. Okay. And also we can come back. Yeah, this one is also encoded in IoT. And we can, yeah, we got this decoded message. So I think this could be possibly the username and also the password. You can try this to access or log in as SSH. And you can try by yourself. As we can do now, we can copy and the IP address of the target is 60. Yes, and we can make a copy of the password and paste in here. Okay, no problem. And we can do the basic enumeration there is one file called hint. Of course, such a file is always very important because the next aim for us is to elevate our privilege. So you can see the hint in this hint txt file, just one word, which is Docker. Of course, maybe the author tells us we need to utilize Docker to escalate our privilege, and we can check the ID. As you can see, this user also belongs to the group of Docker, and from now on we need to use this to elevate our privilege. But how to do it? We can use the GTF or beans resource or website. As you can see, we just make a copy, and this command of course will retrieve the image from the Docker hub and then run this container and get the maybe we can just make a copy and let's run. Hopefully it will work. So why just at the beginning I said we cannot configure the network adapter of the virtual machine as host only. As you know, host only mode virtual machine will not make a connection to the internet. Of course, then we cannot download the image. Okay, now we successfully got the root shell, and we go to the root directory, or maybe mount directory, and we can go to the root directory. We got the root flag here. So okay, so that's all I'd like to demonstrate in this video. I think this virtual machine has several rabbit hole, but anyway, even we do not need to enumerate the directories of the web sites. Okay, so that's it. Bye.